said something horrible about you. They said something horrible about you. Go find it, purify it's wrong. I can't stay here, your dream to cook is founded on misguided hope that I can't survey any longer. It's not easy to say what I feel. Please forgive me.